pleasure to have esteemed professionals from India here today at the Chennai. And it is greatly appreciated. I want to extend a special thanks to you and Bahrain EDB for their ongoing support and interest in Polymatech. We are thrilled to announce that Polymatech Electronics is making an investment of $16.2 million in Bahrain as a first phase, and it is a part of our $100 million total investment envisaged by 2027. This $16.2 million investment will be done in the calendar year 2024 and 2025. Our decision to invest in Bahrain is a strategic decision so that the entire MENA country's requirement is fulfilled through Bahrain. Our main focus is food security and medical electronics. Food security, as you know, after all, every country wants to become self-sufficient in food. And MENA countries are importing food from various countries, and as estimated by 2030, it will be little less than $1 trillion. And Polymatech's innovative technologies will produce and support to reduce the imports of the food from these Middle Eastern countries, and also it will be almost organic food everyone can have in Middle East. That is why we are going there. And also our latest technologies on medical electronics like wind finders are very supportive to surgeries and finding anything we will be producing from Bahrain plant. And we have already taken 45,000 square feet of facility on these, and we will be constructing about 100,000 square feet of facility very shortly, and we start our own factory by 2026 onwards. When we have approached government of Bahrain, they have invited us with open arms, and each and every step they have supported us. I actually thought whether they are working for Bahrain EDB or they are working for Polymatech. Sometimes I find it that way. That is how the support, ease of doing business, what we call in India, the way what I have felt in Tamil Nadu government's invest in Tamil Nadu, same experience I have got from Bahrain government also. That is the main reason to commit our further investments of $100 million after the initial $16.2 million. Thank you, and I hand over this floor to Her Excellency.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bahrain. We're definitely thrilled to be here today. Thrilled to be partnering sitting next to Polymatech. And of course, I want to extend my warmest greetings from me and my team, actually, to you, sir, and to the whole team, and for you also, media, for taking the time to come and see us and for us to share this news and talk more about this partnership. So just a quick introduction to myself. So my name is Noor. I'm the Minister for Sustainable Development in Bahrain. I'm also honored to be the Chief Executive of Bahrain's Economic Development Board, which is Bahrain's investment promotion agency. This is actually my first visit to India, but definitely not the first for the EDB. The team has been coming back and forth for many, many, many years. The most recent one was maybe last year, and we're already thinking about the next trip that we will make in the short term. And this trip definitely, and this partnership builds on a rich history of commerce and trade, dating back over 5,000 years if we think of that between Bahrain and India. And definitely every time we come, what we try to do is foster even stronger commitments and partnerships when it comes to commercial and the investment and the retail. And this multi-city visit definitely aims to be in this connection. So this visit saw us so far visiting 3 cities. We were in Mumbai first, and we moved to Bengaluru, and now we're very happy to be in Chennai. So when we look at Bahrain, out of the 650,000 expatriates, approximately 350,000 are Indians, and which makes it the largest expatriate community in Bahrain. Amongst them, about 50,000 of the community are from Tamil Nadu. We're proud to be partnering with Polymatech, which is a leading Chennai-based semiconductor-manufacturing firm, which further strengthens this relationship as we talked about. We're seeing industries worldwide move towards or shift towards automation, which is the transformation. We've been talking about this. And definitely semiconductors have been indispensable to ensure that technology transformation is seamless. There are definitely semiconductors are the foundation for modern day digital economies, and they play a critical role in technologies like the smartphones, electric vehicles, the 5G, 6G infrastructure, and advanced manufacturing. All of this is very, very important for Bahrain, being a country of first when it comes to digitization. So Bahrain, for many years now, have been championing digitization, starting with the government, which has been digitizing and automating its processes and its services. And we see that as well across the various sectors, including financial services and manufacturing. So investments like Polymatech, setting up a semiconductor facility, highlights Bahrain's entry to the global semiconductor market. So we thank you very much for that, for the trust that you put in Bahrain. And definitely is aligned with Bahrain's ambition to become a key player within the GCC region. It's definitely a pivotal milestone in our journey of digital transformation and is set to usher a new era of innovation and technology advancements across the sector and across the region. We're confident that the Bahrain facility will play a critical role in producing the essential ingredients for even the world's development, not just the region. On both the country and a business level, the bond between the nations is one of mutual respect and shared opportunities for growth, and we look forward to discussing more of that. But just to end, sir, I just wanted to thank you for your kind words. I wanted to thank you for what you said about the team. This is definitely our job. This is what we do at the Economic Development Board. Our job and our role is to ensure that we reflect the ease of doing business that Bahrain is known for, and our job to make sure that the businesses that choose to come and set up and trust the Bahrain system really get the top-notch experience. So thank you very much, and look forward to any questions.
Thank you very much.
So this particular plan is for food security and
Yes.
so what will it be producing and how Bahrain will benefit from it?
We are producing horticulture and medical electronic chips, and we will be doing the final assembly. So as informed earlier, the Middle East region is importing food worth $1 trillion by 2030, and with our entry and our products, their imports costs will come down. Number two is they will be self-sufficient, and these countries, all GCC countries, will be producing their own organic food. That is the main target.
So this organic food will be produced inside the lab, or you will have
It will be polyhouses created by them.
polyhouses.
Yes.
So how much would the acreage or the yield would be when compared to a usual plant?
In GCC countries, the soil does not allow to grow many varieties of food, like greens or vegetables or mushrooms, etc. With our technology, they can produce anything, right from strawberries to saffron.
But the soil would be
Soil is not that much required in our technology. Cocoa pit is enough.
cocoa pit. So using cocoa pit, that is hydroponics, we develop.
Yes, hydroponics will be there, cocoa pit will be there, and this is only for plants. Apart of this, there will be fish farming and aquaculture rights will be there, which will increase the weight of the aqua species 35%, and chicken farms also there. So we produce all varieties of chips that uses whether it is a chicken or fish or prawns or vegetables or greens.
How does this process, like you said, the lights in the light of the
Yes.
particular silicon, it will be the
See, every species on this planet needs sunlight. Sun gives varieties of spectrum to different species. For example, a human being needs morning light and evening light to absorb A vitamin and D vitamin. The same way plants also need sunlight, and same way aqua species also need sunlight. So those spectrums we create so that they will be developing and producing food.
So how many tons of food, like in the first year, once this technology is being tested out, is
Our technology is like tested already. Technology is
but
already
in
tested.
Bahrain, will there be a pilot or it will be tested in the labs?
Bahrain we have not yet tested, but testing of Bahrain soil and cocoa which has been done in India. Now our factory will start very shortly. We have taken 25,000 square feet of building there, and testing will be completed in September, October, November, December.
So the polyhouse, you will be taking up the polyhouse operations?
No, we will not be doing. We will be only supplying the technology, chips only. Polyhouses, there are many other companies, they will be putting it.
You should meet the commercial requirements, sir. You said food imports you are doing there.
Yes.
Will it meet the demands of that
Yes,
technology?
if you see the recent news, in the United Arab Emirates, one particular place itself, in Indian currency, more than 1,000 crores have been invested only on this.
This Bahrain investment is extension of your Chennai operations, or it is totally different? How do you see that?
No, we are not doing any assembly in Chennai.
Okay.
In Chennai, we are doing packaging of semiconductors.
Okay.
In Bahrain, we will be doing forward integration, which means we are doing the applications, final products we are doing there.
But here is only R&D.
No, here we are doing packaging of semiconductors.
Okay.
You're packaging there, you're doing research. No.
No, research you can see here in the back side, you can see the research is going on.
So Bahrain, you're doing assembly.
We will be assembling and supplying.
Supplying.
Yes.
And this food products which you are
Food and medical both.
Food and medical.
Food and medical.
So this will be exported from Bahrain to other countries?
Yes, and the MENA region, Middle East and North Africa.
North of
What is investment for this Chennai plant, sir?
Chennai plant, initially we have committed to the government of Tamil Nadu 910 crores. But that time it is 70 rupees per dollar, 130 million, and we have completed that. And now we are expanding. We have given it to the government of Tamil Nadu to guidance department, and another further investment of another 1,000 crores.
Where is this 1,000?
The next 1,000 crores is, the investment is ongoing, and next 1,000 crores will happen in 24 and 25.
So this
Yes, Chennai plant.
when,
Yes.
when like this September you are planning when is
24 and 25.
this year?
2024 and 2025.
2024. 1,000 crore investment.
Yeah, further 1,000 crores. Already we have invested 910 crores.
So what will be the expanded facility have?
It will be, today we have a capacity of 2 billion chips, and within next 1,000 crores it will be 5 billion chips capacity packaging, plus some other forward integrated machinery also will come here.
Your company is part of PLI scheme, sir. It is Silicon Government of India. The
Government of India, we have already applied. It is not a PLI scheme. We have applied for capital subsidy, which is 50% Government of India gives and 20% Tamil Nadu government gives. Tamil Nadu government has issued government order, and we are eligible. And Government of India, we have given our application that has been acknowledged by IFCA. It has been issued.
What is the present turnover of this Chennai?
2024 March, we have done 1,226 crores.
What is your future plan? What is your future ahead, sir?
Well, the company has a target of reaching $12 billion by 2030, which is 1 lakh crores. It is It is across the globe.
What is the manpower strength in
Manpower today, what we have in all both Kashmir and Chennai plant is about 96 people.
96 people?
96, including me.
And you have plants now, one in Bahrain, one in Chennai.
We have acquired a company in California, Rising Technology, last month, in the month of June. And Polymatech as Indian facility here in Chennai, we are experts in sapphire wafers and sapphire chips. By acquiring the Rising Technology in USA, we have also entered into the silicon and silicon carbide wafers.
Silicon or silicon carbide?
Correct. Silicon carbide is mainly used for power electronics.
So you are looking into venturing into?
No, we have already acquired, we have started. It is our company, we are supplying.
So this is still California near?
Yeah, California.
And what do you say near?
Nising, N-I-S-E-N-E, Nising. Nising Technology Group, it's a group of companies.
So this 1,000 crore, you are acquiring land or it will be in the vicinity?
No, this is not for acquiring land, it's 1,000 crores, entire second phase of 1,000 crores in Chennai facility is only for machinery.
Only for machinery?
Yes.
So are you planning to build something else?
We have already placed out of the machinery.
So is it same for sapphire technology or for
It is for sapphire technology.
sapphire?
Yes.
That means you are producing your own sapphires, sir?
Yes, we are producing. This is the sapphire. This is our sapphire.
You'll be going for 5 billion.
5 billion chips.
So now it is 2 billion.
2 billion chips.
And for the defense and other thing also will be
Yes, everything will go from here only.
the products will be made.
Correct. Any other?
Anyone else has another query?
Thank you very much.